Did you know the moon, and not just a little, but in strange, unexplained ways that even left NASA engineers worried? Welcome to the cosmic mystery of moonquakes, a bizarre lunar phenomenon recorded by astronauts during the Apollo missions. Picture it. It's the late 1960s and early 70s. NASA's Apollo program isn't just sending people to walk on the moon. Those astronauts are leaving behind all kinds of scientific gadgets. One of the coolest? Seismometers, built to pick up any shaking or rumbling. The thinking was, hey, the moon doesn't have tectonic plates like Earth, so nothing wild should happen. But when the data started rolling in, everyone was floored. The moon, it turns out, is in its own strange way. Between 1969 and 1977, those Apollo seismometers recorded over 12,000 moonquakes. Scientists ended up classifying them into four main types. First, there are deep moonquakes, rumbling about 700 kilometers below the surface. What's wild is, these quakes actually happen on a pretty regular schedule, almost like the moon has its own calendar. Then you have shallow moonquakes. These are the real head-scratchers, strong, rare, and able to shake the lunar surface for up to 10 minutes. That's way longer than your typical earthquake. Next up, thermal moonquakes. These pop off when the sun rises and the moon's surface suddenly warms up after a freezing night. And finally, meteorite impacts, tiny space rocks smacking into the moon, sending off little vibrations that the seismometers easily picked up. But it's the shallow moonquakes that really make scientists nervous. Some of these registered up to 5.5 on the Richter scale. That's enough to do serious damage on Earth. So what's actually causing all this shaking, if the moon doesn't have the moving plates, volcanoes or oceans that make Earth quake? One big idea is that the moon is still cooling and shrinking. As it contracts, the crust cracks, causing seismic activity. NASA has even spotted huge faults and cliffs, lobate scarps, showing the moon is literally wrinkling as it gets smaller. Another theory? Tidal forces. The constant gravitational tug-of-war between Earth and the moon might be putting just enough stress on the lunar interior to make it quake. And here's why this matters. NASA's Artemis program is aiming to put people back on the moon, and maybe even build bases there. Imagine setting up camp, only to have the ground start rumbling beneath you, not for seconds, but for... That's why scientists are so focused on figuring out these moonquakes. It could be the key to building safe habitats. So yeah, the Apollo missions may be long over, but their science is still shaking things up. Literally. The moon's true nature is still a mystery. Is it geologically active, or is something even stranger happening beneath the surface? We're still searching for answers. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button, subscribe for more cosmic mysteries, and let me know in the comments. Do you think the moon's still alive inside?